I built this birdhouse in the back of the Honda Ridgeline, and I'm giving away 2 pre-cut kits to the first 2 people to stop by the West Hills Autoplex. Today, we're doing a quick, real-world truck test. We're running to the hardware store to grab supply. Then, we're building a birdhouse in the bed of this 2026 Honda Ridgeline Black Edition. Let's roll. And no, I'm not a pro carpenter. We're following a Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife plan step by step, and we're gonna see how awesome I can make it. I like projects like this because they expose what a truck is really like to live with. This Ridgeline is all-wheel drive with the 3.5-liter V6 and the 9-speed automatic, so it's just plain easy. Point it at the store and go. And since it's the Black Edition, it's loaded. Heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, heated steering wheel, and power moonroof. It's a nice place to spend a couple hours on a project day. I gotta keep my phone topped off on the wireless phone charger because I'm gonna be pulling up the plans and dimensions while we shop and while we build. All right, quick supplies run. Let's grab what we need. Okay, we've got everything back to base. This is where I appreciate the Ridgeline's normal truck usefulness, but normal car manner. The bed is the hero today. It's got plenty of room for all of today's supplies, and it has the dual action tailgate, so I can swing it open without having to do that awkward dance around the corner. Okay, truck bed workshop time. Let's get started on some awesome birdhouses. Glasses on, fingers away from blades. I'm not rushing cuts for the sake of YouTube. Here are the plans that we are following. It's a basic songbird nest box. From the plan, the main board is 1 rough cut cedar, 6 feet long, and here are the main cuts. The back is 17 inches, front 10 inches, roof 8.5 inches, sides 2 pieces at 12 inches, with the roofline cuts marked at 10 inches per the plan. And the floor is 5.5 by 4 inches with the corners clipped, and we're following the plan for the 2 slant roof cuts. The floor is small on purpose. It keeps the box cozy and helps reduce drafts. And I'm lining the floor up so that it sits slightly above the bottom. Then I'm attaching the 2 sides. Now the front goes on, and this is the fun part. The entry hole size depends on what birds you want. Today, I'm going with 2 different sizes, 1.125" and 1.5". The roof goes on next. The roof overhang helps protect the opening, and the slant helps shed water. The plan uses a pivot screw as hinges so one side opens. The key is the 2 pivot screws need to be level on both sides so the door opens easily. All right, that is a birdhouse built entirely in a truck bed. Not bad. One take recap, store run, supplies, and a full build in the bed. And that's the Ridgeline's whole thing. It's a comfortable daily driver, but when you need a truck, it's a truck. Tailgate workspace, swing out access, and a comfortable cabin for the in-between parts. If you want to take a look at this Ridgeline, come see us at the West Hills Autoplex. I'm Josh with the Hazelwood Auto Group, and until the next one, we'll see you soon. And it's giveaway time. We are giving away 2 pre-cut birdhouse kits. All you have to do is leave a comment below with your favorite bird, and the first 2 comments will arrange a time for you to come by and pick up your very own pre-cut birdhouse kits and a packet of our limited edition stickers. Bye-bye.